ROCA presents PRET A PORTER through-body floor tiles. Ready to set, ready to step on. Laying is easy, clean and quick. First line up the L-shaped part with the marks on the bottom of the tile. Do the same with all the tiles that you will use. This is the area that will be covered. Start at the furthest angle. The pieces are laid in the same direction to cover the whole floor. PRET A PORTER ceramic flooring fits perfectly, one next to the other. A 100% dry installation system. Any floor, anywhere, can be changed in a few hours. A common tile cutter solves any type of special shape cuts. The pieces can be removed independently without tearing out the rest of the installation. PRET A PORTER saves time and avoids having to do major remodels. PRET A PORTER, ready to set, ready to step on.